Introduce.
Okay, today is Wednesday,
22nd.
the 22nd of February, 2017. I'm with the renowned Dr. Ronald Robbins here in Boca Raton, Stonebridge Country Club, with his lovely daughter Jenna and wonderful Elaine Maleva, who is resting comfortably on the couch there. There's been a little bit of a request to see if I can do any push-ups today. I'm very exhausted today. I had a very rigorous day yesterday. But if I do them, they'll be on that carpeting area because your hands get really, like when it's hard on your wrist too when you're holding up your weight that much. So Jenna says she's going to hold this camera. I'm not using my smartphone because the recording automatically cuts off after 5 minutes, and this is going to take me probably longer than 5 minutes. So let me do the, is that noise coming from your phone?
No, it's coming from him.
Oh, it's coming from him. In fact, let me hit pause on this. I'm going to stop this. We're going to do it right over here. And which is where I think I did it last time when after, this is before we're going for a heavy dinner buffet and show tonight here at Stonebridge. So I know if I eat and drink a lot, that's not going to happen. Although I ate a little bit. I had cookies already and snacks. No, I'm going to take my shoes off. Okay, let me stop this for a second.